In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email to the Safe Sender list in Microsoft Outlook 365. This is an important setting that helps ensure important messages are not mistakenly filtered into your junk or spam folder, allowing you to stay updated with essential communication without interruptions or missed emails. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen, and click on it to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you will need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. On the Sign In screen, carefully type in your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your details, click Next to continue. Once the login process is complete, you will be directed to your Outlook dashboard where your mailbox and settings are accessible. Now that you are inside Outlook on the web, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You will see a gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Click on this icon to open the Settings panel. Allow a moment for it to fully load so all available options become visible. Within the Settings panel, look for the option labeled Mail and select it. This section contains all email-related configuration settings. After entering the mail settings, find and click on Junk Email. This area controls how Outlook handles unwanted or filtered messages. Inside the Junk Email settings, locate the section labeled Safe Senders and Domains. This is where you can manage trusted email addresses that should never be treated as spam or junk. Under this section, you will see a field where you can add a new email address. Carefully type in the email address you want to mark as safe. It is important to enter it accurately to avoid any mistakes, as even small errors may prevent the setting from working correctly. Once the email address has been added, proceed to the final step to apply the changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the Settings panel, and click it to confirm your updates. This action ensures that the email address is now officially included in your Safe Sender list and will be treated as trusted communication moving forward. And that's it. You have successfully added an email address to the Safe Sender list in Microsoft Outlook 365. This helps prevent important emails from being incorrectly marked as junk, ensuring smoother and more reliable communication. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.